and welcome to another unboxing video with me. And this morning, we're going to open ShinWoo from Finding Unicorn. It's called Strange Ghost Diner. Open na natin. Oh, doesn't open from the top. Oh, I guess dito siya mag-open. Have to press here. Oh, no. Ang hirap naman buksan nito. Ooh, okay. So this is what it looks like. Pag bumili kayo ng ShinWoo, meron siyang kasamang weight. Ay! Oh! Nakadikit yung card. And this one is what we got. It's poisonous donut. Ang cute! Ang ganda ng packaging niya. Ang cute! Yung donut niya is matte against dito sa glossy. Like a face. Next! So again, dito na siya bubuksan. You press that and just pull. It's kind of messy to open. It's toxic soda! It's an ice cream, right? Ba't ganun? Sobrang cute mo naman. And look, he's the bear of the month. He's the bear of the month. He's so cute. Busog na siya sa soda. Look at his face. Oh, kumaliit siya. Malaki-laki rin pala siya, oh. Dalawa pa lang to. Sinubukan ko lang bumili ng ShinWoo talaga. Pero, I think bibili pa ako ng a little bit more. So, if you guys want to explore and i-expand pa yung toy collection nyo, I recommend you get ShinWoo. I mean, look at those faces. Diba? So cute! So, kung gusto nyo rin i-try mag-collect ng ShinWoo, click the yellow basket. Bye-bye! Kung ganito yung mga ghost, I will gladly invite them in my house. Ay, parang, diba?